Sis,
What?
look, this is the girl I was telling you about. I'm literally obsessed with her length. I would die for that. I know you talk about Dee Besties because I literally trying to tell you about her. Those are clip-ins. Stop worrying about length. Clip-ins. Do what she did and wear some clip-ins. Girl, they got too much stuff out here.
Girl, no,
They got too many products out here for you to be worried about.
Mind y'all, this is some of y'all's first impression of me, and I'm so sorry, but I never got the gene for cornrowing. So this is the best I could do, and we're gonna attach these clip-ins onto whatever they can grab onto. If that's a little bit of new growth or a little bit of a twist or braid, because I do have a combination of both, then that's okay, because they'll never know. So do what you gotta do to get these clip-ins on. The process is pretty self-explanatory. We're gonna add the longest wefts at the back, and then as we get more towards the front, we add the shorter ones, and choosing where to put it, because you of course want to try to hide it as best as possible. You can see wefts so far, so you're gonna adjust as needed.
And this is like looking like a brand. Right here. Daddy.
Yes.
Y'all hear my girl hype me up? Yeah, because it looks so realistic. It literally looks like my hair. The trouble begins when it's time to blend the front with the rest, because it's literally all wefts. And this is not a U wig. This is not a V-part wig. This is clip-ins. It's not really technically meant to be worn like this. It's meant to be, placed in between like a fro or something, not primarily used as a half wig. You get me? In order to blend my leave out with the rest of the clip-ins, I just twisted it using some leave-in conditioner and a little bit of shea butter. And now that the twists have been taken down, we're just going to be separating the pieces, as well as trying to make the hair blend without showing the wefts, because that was the main issue. This is where we have the issue, the amount of leave outs that I put. Because yes, it covered from this way. You know what I did? I forgot. The trick is to remove and reapply the clip-in in between the front of your hair. So instead of it being directly behind the part, you put it literally in between the pieces of your leave out. That way there's no clear division between your leave out and the wefts. So now I've already styled the right side, and now we're about to do the left. You can use whatever product you have. I'm a product junkie, so I'm trying to get rid of whatever I have left. I would just suggest using whatever defining product. It could be a leave-in conditioner or a twisting or curl cream. It doesn't have to be any product specific. I would just suggest not stressing about fighting with the hair. I literally just used my hands. If I would have used a brush, I would have pulled out half the clip-ins out my head, because it can't take that type of pressure. You see what's under these, right? You literally cannot tell me this isn't my hair. Where are the clip-ins? Where are the clip-ins? You cannot tell me that only the front of my hair is out. This is insane. This is literally my head. Oh, look at the back. I'm gonna hide that. Trust me.
For you, this is my hair.
Y'all see, I hit it. Y'all saw that, right? I hit it. While I'm posing, let me let y'all know. Let me put y'all on. Of course, we love long natural hair. It's a sign of health. It's just cool to just grow your hair out and just see growth, period. And any type of growth on your glutes, growth on your head, growth in your career. But There's way too many products. We got clip-ins, we got wigs. Moral of the story is enjoy your length wherever it's at. And if you do want a little bit more, throw in some clip-ins. Throw in a U-wig. We're not hiding our hair anymore. You want to do a little protective style? This is a great way. You got minimal leave out, but you're still maintaining that natural look. We still want to be natural baddies. We still want to see those type 4 curls. So go ahead and get you some clip-ins, girl. And let me know if you have any questions down below. The link for these clip-ins are also down below with a discount code. Thank you guys for tuning into Dee Besties channel here on YouTube, and tune in for more. Like, I got so much for y'all. Y'all see that bag. Y'all don't see no F's.